Good morning, guys. My name is Talia Battle, and today I will be doing second grade math lessons. And we are at Pick Your Grade, and today I am doing second grade. Second grade has over 201 lessons. Let's click on it and see what we get.
We're loading a complete second grade math curriculum, complete with over 200 skills and designed by real teachers. All done. Now pick a skill to play.
So guys, today we have number sense, addition, subtraction, time, measurement, geometry, coins, multiplication, division, fractions. So today we will be doing multiplication. Let's click on it. So guys, we have approached level 1, sunken ship fishing. So we're going to click play now.
Fish until you find the sunken ship.
So the question is asking, what is 4 times 4? 4 times 4, it will be 16. So hit 1 and 6 and click check.
Great!
And as you can see, we got that question correct. The second question is, what is 3 times 4? 3 times 4 will be 12. So hit 1 and 2. And the second question is, what is 4 times 3, which is also 12. So click the box and hit 1, 2, and hit check.
Nice!
And we got that question correct. So the third question is, what is 4 times 5? 4 times 5 will be 20. So hit 2 and 0 and hit check.
Good job!
And we got it correct. As you can see, Cool Math has a lot of fun learning material for your child. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, click the like button and share. Thank you again. My name is Talia Battle.